Here's how to get free shipping on Amazon Haul. So if you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the landing page for Amazon Haul. And basically, it's going to tell you on here all the different deals. Number one is you can get free shipping if you spend $25. So Amazon Haul has all these crazy deals on lots of different items. You can search or go through the categories. And once you add things in your cart, you've got to get over $25 to get free shipping. So if you click over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see this little drop down and then it says About Haul. When we click on that, you can see here that most things will ship within 2 weeks. And as long as your order size is $25, you get free shipping. Otherwise, there's a $3.99 shipping fee. So a lot of things on Amazon Haul are so discounted because they're imported from other countries, so they're shipped from further away than usual. And so that's why delivery is like not just that 2-day delivery, but you can get free shipping. All you have to do is put $25 worth of items in your cart and you have free shipping on Amazon Haul.